What's up, everybody? Oh, just at a friend's house checking on their cat. I just got a haircut. What do you think? I like it. I like it. It looks pretty good. A lot better than all that like bushy crap everywhere. So I'm gonna go check on this cat, but I just wanted to take a minute and tell you it is freaking windy outside. That's why I'm in the car. Hold on. Let's go outside. Let's see how windy it is. It's gonna be crazy. He's got stuck on the seatbelt thing. It's funny. It's not actually as bad here as it is over by my house. My wife was actually worried about they said that some trees were coming down over here, and she's worried that maybe one of the trees came down or something. But look at all this, like boxes and some other stuff, and then this, like this lawn was clear of debris yesterday, and now it's just, tree stuff everywhere. We're gonna go check on the cat. We're gonna see how the kitty cat's doing. Oh. Crunch, 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 crunch. Alright, I gotta open this door. It's like really hard to open. one second, please. Do you want to breakfast? Is it breakfast time? Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Oh, this is so sweet. This is a sweet kitties. It's so sweet.
All the stoplights to get up here were out because it's so windy. It took forever to get up here. But she's doing good. Look at her. She's like,
Ma, I'm hungry. I want to get some food.
so I'm gonna get her some food. Ain't that right, Trisha?
Food time. Nom 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 nom. Please stop recording me and feed me already.
So I went to get some food from the refrigerator, and I found out that well, all the power is out because of the wind. So it's probably really good that I came to check to see if Shushu was okay, because all the power's out, and she's used to listening to the TV, just has white noise in the background. Yeah, so she's like, I don't know what's going on. It's okay, Shushu. So I'm gonna get her some food and take care of that. And then later, maybe on Thursday, I'm gonna have to gush about the movie that we watched this weekend because it was so freaking good. And there's a lot of people that I've worked with that were in this movie, which is awesome, which makes me even more passionate about going out and being an actor and doing all that stuff. And I just want to make sure there wasn't any like private information. Whoops, sorry guys. They know all the stuff's about you now. But it makes me very passionate about being an actor and working in the field that I decided to work in, and it just makes me want to work harder and get there and just tell stories like this story, because oh man, it was so good, so good. And so when you hear about it on Thursday when I talk about it, you're gonna have to go watch it if you haven't watched it, because it is just like so good. All right, I think that's it for today because I have to take care of Shushu, and then it's kind of, I don't know if I'm supposed to do something because all the power's out or what. So yeah, I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Watch this. Good transition. Oh.